Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, we will demonstrate how to merge Airtable file attachments and apply filter based on specified conditions using PDF.co and Zapier. We provide a link of the full tutorial in the description box below. Come and visit PDF.co for more additional information. We will utilize a sample Airtable table containing file attachments and apply filtering based on specified conditions. The goal is to merge these attachment files into a single PDF document. So without further ado, let's get started. First, open your Zapier account and create a Zap. Next, search and select the Airtable app. And choose the New Record option to trigger when a new record is created. Now connect your Airtable account to Zapier. This will allow Zapier to grant access to your Airtable workspace. Let's set up the Airtable configuration. In the base field, enter the name of the base you created in Airtable workspace. In the table field, select the specific table where your file attachments are stored. For the Limit to View field, enter the grid view to limit the records added in a specific view and return the record in a view order. Lastly, in the Include File Contents field, select False to prevent errors and obtain an additional file field without the file contents. After setting up the trigger, you may now test it to retrieve the record which contains the file attachments. The test trigger was successful and retrieved the record containing the file attachments. Now let's add the filtering condition to stop the Zap if an Airtable record doesn't contain any attachments. In this step, we will incorporate the Filter by Zapier functionality to apply a filtering condition that allows the Zap to proceed only when specific criteria are met. Under the Filter Setup and Testing section, let's add the condition Only continue if attachment URL exists. Next, perform a test of the filter to ensure that Zap would proceed as intended. After the successful execution of the Zap, you are now ready to integrate another app into your workflow. In this step, we will integrate the PDF.co app. And select the PDF merger option to combine all the file attachments from Airtable into a single PDF document. To connect your PDF.co account to Zapier, add your API key. You can obtain the API key from your PDF.co dashboard. Let's proceed with configuring the PDF.co settings. In the Source File URLs field, select the attachment URL from Airtable. In the Automatically Convert Non-PDF Files field, choose either True or False to indicate whether non-PDF files should be converted to PDF before merging. Then specify the desired name for your output PDF file. Once you have finished configuring the PDF.co settings, proceed to test the action to merge the file attachments from Airtable into a single PDF document. The test was successful and merged the file attachments from Airtable into a single document. Copy the resulting URL and paste it into your browser to view the output. Here's the outcome of successfully merging the Airtable file attachments into a single PDF document. To learn more about PDF.co and its extensive range of features, we invite you to explore into our comprehensive tutorials accessible on our website. You can also visit our YouTube channel, where we regularly share informative videos. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and activate the notification bell icon to stay up to date with our latest videos. Thank you for watching, and we appreciate your support.